Hey guys, I have a 2007 Odyssey. The guy had told me that the van was making a rattle noise, so they replaced the power steering pump. The noise didn't go away, so those vans are known by making when the timing belt tensioner goes out, starts to go out, it makes a noise, knocking noise. So knocking like ta, 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 ta. So it was kind of the same noise, but so he went back to whoever installed the power steering pump. So they told him that it was probably the timing belt tensioner. So he brought it. So he didn't want to invest $1,500 before he gets a second opinion, and he brought it to me. His brother sent him. So this is what I found, guys. This is the pulley that goes to the what it looks like the tensioner. And as you can see, hopefully you guys can see, I mean, that's a little noise, but once the engine starts to run, you know, they turn really fast. So you can only imagine the noise, because when you turn it, it doesn't really make noise, but it has plate. Only you move it back and forward, I mean front to back, you can really hear the noise. So just a quick tip, guys, before you install the belt of the power steering pump, it'll be worth it to take a look at those pulleys. You know, the guys, he said that he paid like around 200 and almost $300 to have the pump installed, and it didn't solve his issue. And now he was gonna pay around $1,400 to have the timing belt and tensioner replaced, and that's why he brought it for a second opinion. So just a quick tip, guys, and hope this video helps someone out there to hit this video here, because it's easy to fix, and hoping that I can help people out there who likes to do their own fixes. So thank you, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.